Hey, hello guys, welcome back to a new video of Education Mantra. Welcome guys again to a new video, a very interesting video. Today we are going to discuss very important one word question answers on chapter 7 weavers, iron smelters and factory owners, which is from history class 8. New to the channel, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification. If you like our video, subscribe our channel and like as shown here. Let's start. In the late 18th century, the East India Company was buying goods in India and exporting them to which country? So the answer is England and Europe. So the East India Company was exporting its goods from India to England and Europe. Okay. Second question. Dash was woven in Surat and Ahmedabad in India. The answer is Patola. Patola weave was woven in Surat and Ahmedabad in India. What was the earlier name of Iraq? Correct answer is Mosul. These all question answers have been taken from your NCRT book. So please read your chapter thoroughly for MCQs, one word answers, and fill in the blanks. Which was the name given by the European traders to the finely woven textiles? It was muslin. Okay, remember it. It's a very important question. Subscribe our channel. Piece of cotton, colored, printed clothes were called. Okay, it's an easy question. Pieces of cotton, colored printed cloths were called. Answer is chins, khassa, and bandana. Okay, important questions. Please remember. It is a fine muslin on which decorative motifs are woven on the loom. The answer is Jamdani. Bandana patterns were mostly produced in which states? Okay, we have to tell the states of India. Correct answer is Rajasthan and Gujarat. In 1764, what was invented by John Kay? So, the inventor name is John Kay and he invented spinning jenny. Let's begin with next slide. Who invented steam engine? Okay, remember, steam engine was discovered or invented by John Richard Arkwright. What was a Persian term for a warehouse or a place where goods were collected before being sold? It was orang. It can also come like what was orang? A Persian term for a warehouse or a place where goods were collected before being sold. First option can be this. Second option can be there, not a Persian term, it can be there like a Greek word or a Latin word, or it can be there after being sold, it can be before, it can be changed from before to after. Okay, please remember, read the books thoroughly. Weavers from Bengal were called, they were called Tantis. Okay, remember the name of weavers, it's very important. Dash were weavers who belonged to South India. So the weavers who belonged to South India were Devangs. Okay, very important. Remember weavers. Okay. Next question. What were the household spinning instruments? This chapter is based on mostly spinning weavers and it was related to factory owners. So this is a very important question. So the correct answer is Charkha and Takli. Sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. It's Takli or you can say anything. Okay. Who urged people to boycott imported textiles and use hand spun and hand woven cloth? Very important question, and it's a very common question also. So the correct answer is Mahatma Gandhi ji. Gandhi ji urged people to boycott imported textiles. Next question. Dash gradually became a symbol of nationalism. Second hint can be it was favored by Gandhi ji also. Correct answer is Khadi. The first cotton mill in India was set up as a spinning mill in Dash in 1854. Correct answer is Bombay. Always remember first cotton mill. First cotton mill. It's not mill. If it comes mill, then the answer would be different. Read your textbooks very thoroughly. Next question. Name the device or equipment that can pump air. You should read the glossary also. Very important glossary. Word meanings can also come. Correct answer is bellows, or it can be spelled as bellows. I'll show you a picture. You can see that this is a picture of bellow. Next question. India was the world's largest producer of which products? Really very important question because in this chapter we have read that uh, products which were made in India were very famous in the whole world. So the correct answer is fine quality of cotton textiles. In which year the Calico Act was passed? Very important. Please remember dates also are really very important. So Calico Act was passed in 1720. So next question is labeled as very important question. Which company became the biggest steel industry within the British Empire? I know you all may know this answer. Correct answer is Tesco, Tata Iron and Steel Company Limited. Okay, first we'll talk about yesterday previous video's question of the day. Correct answer was drag friction, or we can say that it was fluid friction. Okay, so question of the day is in 1904, who were the two persons traveling in search of iron ore deposits and at which place? Answer in comment box. Okay, so thank you friends for watching this video. Subscribe our channel, like, share with your friends. Okay, thank you.